donuts here. My favorite keyboard has just arrived, the Ducky 122KL. This isn't just any mechanical keyboard, it's the one with the new Cherry MX Silent Red. Mechanical keyboards uses individually spring-loaded key switches that have various levels of resistance, tactile feedback, and audible noise. Now, Silent Reds came out, and the idea of Silent Red is to, well, make it silent. They do this by placing rubber impact absorber on the bottom of the switch and on the top, so to minimize any noise from bottoming out or from the top. Now in the box you get a key puller, your USB-C to USB cable, you get a few extra switches, and the colors are randomly picked for you. Both the top and bottom of the keyboard are made of plastic but feel very sturdy and well made. Looking at the back, it's very clean, it's white, it has 4 feet. Each feet has a smaller one on top. Now to the sound test. Gonna bring up some kind of typing test online, and I'll have the mic right next to the keyboard. In the middle, I'll switch it to phone audio to see what it sounds like just 2 feet away. Check it out.